So that's the speedo cable eventually on, and I'm not 100% happy with the way I've routed it. There's too much of a kink. I think I'm gonna, get my hand out of the way. I'm just gonna, bend that lug out of the way, get that cable out of there. It's just hanging down a little bit too. It's not the Daytona cable, it's off is it Sprint? Or one of the old Daytonas, 900s I think. Anyway, can't do it one-handed. Off camera I'm going to take that cable out and get rid of that kink. I think these wee holes here, get down, that's for that little stay, loop. I think it's supposed to go here. The cable's supposed to route up. But you have to have it as kinkless as possible. So I'll just bend that thing back. So that's it, free from that loop now. So you can see it, and it goes down, and just it kind of hangs out a little bit. I'd like it a little bit tighter, but that's okay. All right there, yes, you. So that should be alright. Not going to get in the way of anywhere. That loop's supposed to be here. So it just kind of holds it there. And it might be an idea to do that. I'm going to take it for a test run first, and I can move that because it's quite involved getting in there. Right. Oh, Castle Lock seems to have flooded. I've never seen it do this before. It must just be that bit that's broken its banks. There's not been any rain for long enough. Don't understand. Oh, nice this though. It's actually not a bad little place to live. Lochmaben, nice and quiet. You've got a main road there, but if you were to get around the back somewhere. Right, the bike. Yeah, speedo works fine, perfect. I think it's a very good ratio as well, and it seems right enough. Because I'm coming up to cars and they normally sit at 60 cars, so I'm sitting behind them and it seems to be a pretty good ratio. I think the cable's a little bit long, but I do remember the Daytona cable was stuck out quite a bit as well, so I'm not worried about that. I just need to get it, I think it's routed there so it doesn't kind of rub. I don't know why they had that little routing thing there, but I'll do as I'm told. So look, it's got fuel, got to check the time, I've got to work tonight. I've done 18 miles, so that's working fine. It's nice setup, I like it. All works fantastically well. High beam's not working again. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I think once the bike's started, it starts to work. Should work though. I've maybe got a loose connection somewhere, and we redo them connections. Okay. Anyway. Right, so I say that's a success. I kind of want I'd like a fuel light really. Although what I usually do, as I've said before, I usually put it on 100. When it gets to 100 I just fuel up. I'll see how I get on. Have a think. I've got bulbs and stuff there. I could do it very, very easily. Maybe just mount it here or in here. I'm not sure. Maybe in there, hide it away, and all the cables will be hidden away. Just have a wee plate coming off this bit here. It's a very thin bit of plate I've got. I could have it just down here. There's a mounting point. Could have a tiny little bracket coming off there with an LED in it for the fuel, or just a bulb, tri-off bulb. We'll see. Right. So I think the speedo's a success. That Bandit speedometer is far better. Okay, thank you for watching.